CIMAGE. My name is Anjali Pandey, BCA AQ second sem. Today's our topic 2D array. We discussed what is array. Array is variable which store a more than one value in the same data data type in continuous manner. Array cannot be contain a dissimilar data type, and array index 0 to n minus 1. There are three type of the array: one dimension array, two dimension array, and multi-dimension array. 1D array is also a one dimension array is also a 1D array. A two dimension array is also a 2D array. What is 2D array? 2D array is simplest form of the multi-dimension array. We visualize the 2D array, two-dimension array is array in the form of the x and y. X is also a row and y is also a column. It is a matrix table form. The syntax of the two-dimension array: data type and array name. Type of the data which store elements, name of the array x and y. Number of the row is also a x and number of the columns is also a y. Here the number of the columns and here the number of row. Columns 5, just like column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and rows 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all about the 2D array. Number of rows 4 and number of columns is 5. Further we discuss the code. This is code of the 2D array. 3 and 5. 3 is the number of row and 5 is the number of column. 3 is the number of row, just like 1, first row, second row, third row, and the column first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. Then the I is also a row, j is also a column. The number of the loops are run in the row and the number of loops run in the columns. Then the print. The print of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the column and these are the row. Thank you for my side.